Namaste everyone, Master Praveen. Hope and wish that you all are doing great. So guys, if you are new on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe. So this video is again the part 2 from hip and shoulder opening. Hip and shoulder opening या फिर हम इसे बोल सकते हैं कि बो, पिजन एंड हाफ लंज वेरिएशंस. तो ये पार्ट 2 आपका रहेगा. तो इफ यू डायरेक्टली जंप ऑन पार्ट 2, सो प्लीज प्रैक्टिस पार्ट 1 फर्स्ट. उसका लिंक आई विल शेयर अंडर दिस वीडियो. पहले आप पार्ट 1 को कीजिए सो दैट यू विल हैव द इनफ वार्म अप. आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग द शॉर्ट वीडियोस. एक ही क्लास को मैं 3 पार्ट के अंदर मैं डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ, पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3, सो दैट थोड़ा ईजी रहेगा. बिकॉज समटाइम्स ये ठीक है, आप इसको एंजॉय कीजिए क्लास को. एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस क्लास, सो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. एंड वेलकम बैक इन अवर योगा क्लास. Our today yoga class theme will focus on the posture related like bow, pigeon and the king dancer. So this is more focus on like your shoulder, upper back and of course your some part of the back bending it will involve it. So start class with relaxation, 3 times Om chanting. सीधे बैठ जाइए, sit straight with Namaste और Chin Mudra. शोल्डर डाउन एंड आईज क्लोज. आंखें बंद कर लीजिए. जस्ट बी काम एंड रिलैक्स. फोकस ऑन योर ब्रेथ. अपनी श्वास पर ध्यान दीजिए. And couple of deep breath. Everyone, deep and long inhale, deep and long exhale, deep and long inhale, deep and long exhale, deep and long inhale, deep and long exhale. 3 times Om chanting. 3 बार ओम का उच्चारण. Inhale everyone. Now inhale. Inhale. Gently rub your both palm. हथेलियों को रगड़िए. And place your palm on your eyes. Relax your eyes. Relax your mind. Gently open eyes. Look up at your palm. Smiling face and relax. Place your palm on your knee. दोनों palm knee पर रखिए. Everyone start moving your shoulder. धीरे धीरे अपने shoulder को move कीजिए. It should be gently and slowly. Anti-clockwise, opposite rotation. Our today class, as I mentioned, it will focus more on bow posture related variations, the full bow variations. So we will go different types of shoulder movement. Relax. Open arms your shoulder level. Both arms up. Inhale. Finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms. Stretch your spine. Look up. Exhale. Bring your arms down and look down. Once again, both arms up, finger lock, palm facing up. Inhale, Stretch your arms, stretch your spine and look up. Exhale, bring your arms down and look down. Open arms, your shoulder level. Left hand left side, right arm straight over the head. Inhale, come back. Exhale, right side, left arm straight over the head. Inhale, come back. Exhale once again, left side, right arm straight over the head, belly in. Come back, inhale, exhale, right side, left arm straight over the head. Inhale, come back, exhale, drop your left elbow, right arm straight over the head. Come back, inhale, exhale, drop your right elbow, left arm straight over the head. Inhale, come back, exhale one more time, drop your left elbow, right arm straight over the head. Come back, inhale and exhale, drop your right elbow and left arm straight over the head. Good. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax everyone. Everyone bring your fingers together and put them on your shoulder. ऐसे रख लीजिए. Elbow closer. We will go the second round of the shoulder movement. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Give the maximum opening. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Give an opening. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Anti-clockwise, opposite side. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Two times more. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. And relax now. Again, both arms up. Finger lock, palm facing up. Inhale. Exhale, bend on your left side. Inhale, come back and exhale, bend on your right side. Inhale, come back, exhale, again left side. Inhale, come back and exhale on your right side. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax your both hands. Right hand up, everyone. Left hand on your back and interlock your finger from your back side. पीछे से interlock कर लीजिए and try to push your right elbow back. Right elbow को पीछे की तरफ push कीजिए. Left shoulder drop down. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, slowly relax पर धीरे से वापस आ जाइए. Here we go, another side. Left hand up, right hand on your back and interlock your fingers. You can use the strap, up strap use कर लीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and slowly relax. Come back. वापस आ जाइए. Open your arms your shoulder level. Left hand place right knee, right hand up. Inhale, stretch your right hand. Exhale, bend left side. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Right hand, left knee, left hand up. Inhale, exhale, bend right side. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax. एक बार फिर से we will repeat again. Left hand, right knee, right hand up. Inhale, exhale, bend left side. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Right hand, left knee, left hand up. Inhale, exhale, bend right side. inhale, come back, and exhale, relax everyone. Now take a strap with you. Strap ले लीजिए, or if you do not have strap, so you can take the hand towel. Now we will practice the third movement of shoulder. तीसरी movement की हम practice करेंगे. Yes. So we will take only the 5 rounds. 5 round complete करेंगे. You can take the strap with this way. You have to adjust the distance as per your shoulder mobility. But झटके के साथ practice ना करें. Do not give jerks. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, slowly arms down. Inhale up, exhale down. Better you can make enough distance. Inhale up, exhale down. Slowly कीजिए, बिल्कुल आराम से. Inhale up, exhale down. 3 times more. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. 2 times more. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 1 time more. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Okay, relax. एक बारी के लिए रिलैक्स कर लीजिए. Put your both hands on your back. दोनों हाथ हिप के पीछे रखिए. Inhale, open your chest, push your chest front, drop your shoulder down, look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm on your knee, squeeze and look down. Again inhale, open your chest, push your chest front, drop your shoulder down, look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm on your knee, squeeze and look down. Good. Finger lock from your back side. पीछे से finger lock बनाइए. Inhale, stretch your arms, drop your shoulder, look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward, all the way go down. Inhale, come back. Exhale again, drop your shoulder, look up. Chest को सामने की तरफ push कीजिए. Inhale, come back and exhale, bend forward, all the way go down. Okay, inhale, come back and exhale, relax everyone. Again, just very gently move your shoulder for relaxation. एक बार relaxation के लिए shoulder को move कर लीजिए. Anti-clockwise, opposite rotation, and relax. Right hand, left hand near hip. Inhale, exhale, twist, look back. पीछे की तरफ देखिए. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your right side. Right तरफ जाइए. Come back, inhale. Exhale again, turn on your left side. Left की तरफ जाइए. Shoulder down everyone. दोनों कंधे नीचे रखें. Belly in. Inhale, come back, and one more time. Exhale, turn on your right side. Good. Inhale, come back and exhale. Relax. वापस आ जाइए. Both legs straight. दोनों पैर सीधे कीजिए. Little distance and move your legs. Legs को move कीजिए. Spine straight. कमर को सीधा रखें. Move your knees up and down. दोनों नी को ऊपर नीचे की मूवमेंट दें. Both legs closer, toes facing point, flex your feet, facing point, and flex your feet. Rotation, धीरे धीरे, slowly make the ankle rotation. Anti-clockwise, opposite rotation, दूसरी तरफ, and relax. Left leg on your right upper thigh. So this class is also combination with your hip and back. Back mainly our shoulder, upper back, and of course push your knee down, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax your leg, right leg, left upper thigh, the same, left leg roll inside, 1, right ankle, left upper thigh, 2, 3, very gently, 4, 5, no jerks, no jhatka, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay guys, relax your right leg. Left leg bend under your hip, knee and thigh closer, नजदीक कर लीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax your leg. Right leg, same, knee and thigh closer. Shift your body weight towards your right hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax your right leg. Bend your both legs. Come in Baddha Konasana, butterfly. Feet together. These all are the very gentle preparation. Swing your knees, everyone. दोनों knee को swing कीजिए, move कीजिए up and down. Also make sure your spine straight, कमर को सीधा रखें all the time. Just for a couple of time. कुछ समय के लिए करते जाइए, करते जाइए. Few more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your palm on your knee. दोनों palm knee पर रखिए. And very gently push your knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Bend your legs. Put your hands back of your hip. Inhale. Lift your spine. Everyone lift your hip, table pose. Inhale, come back. Exhale, push your hip down, squeeze and look down. Good. So this time palm facing inside. अब की बार दोनों palm अंदर की तरफ कर लीजिए. So this is also practice for your whole body. Inhale, same. Lift your spine. Exhale, lift your hip. फिर से उठाइए. Hip up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, push your hip down. Once again, come back in the Baddha Konasana. Palm on your knee. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. जाइए धीरे से सामने की तरफ. Stay कीजिए. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. वापस आइए. Return everyone. Bend your legs, knee and your thigh, feet together. One more time. Come back in Baddha Konasana. फिर से आ जाइए. Now let's make the combination. Hip and shoulder. Finger lock from your back side. मुश्किल लगे this variation. If you feel challenging, you can repeat the last one. Inhale. Lift your arms. Exhale, bend forward. फिर से जाइए. Belly in, push your knee and push your hip down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. धीरे से सभी वापस आइए. Return now. Very good. Again, cross your leg once and we'll go only 3 times deep breath. 3 बार लंबे गहरे श्वास. After that, we will start again our practice. Everyone, deep inhale, deep exhale, deep inhale, deep exhale, Deep inhale and deep exhale. Good.